My son was very friendly. He always was trying to make people smile, and if someone needed a help up or a helping hand, he was always willing to do that. He also enjoyed doing impersonations of people to make them laugh.
And if I don't see you, good afternoon, good night.
He loved art. He was very, very creative in everything that he did. Um, Unfortunately, um, there was an accident at an intersection where someone um, didn't stop to allow him to proceed through and took his life. I'm hoping that through this will bring awareness and save someone else's life and help someone look, um, twice before pulling out. The person on that motorcycle has family. That person on that motorcycle has um, someone that would dearly miss them or be affected if their life was taken. So we have to all be respectful and think of others and the consequences. Because that night, not only was my son's life affected, but the person that didn't look both ways now, his family is affected as well. I just hope and pray that this situation and what has happened to my son helps other people. And if it saves one person, it's worth it.